Good afternoon. This is Dan. We are at the Canadian National Exhibition, otherwise known as the CNE. It's like a big fair. I'm so excited. There's rides. There's a hot dog this year with bugs on it, which I'm not eating.
Tiny Tom Donuts.
Tiny Tom Donuts.
I'm very excited about.
Oh, it's so good. And what else is there? I don't know.
Rides.
There's
Zipper.
And Super Dogs.
And the Zipper.
There's a show with Super Dogs. I'm not riding the Zipper with you.
Going on the Zipper. It'll be in the video.
I'm not going on the Zipper, but we're gonna see Super Dogs. Anyway, buckle up. It's gonna be an exciting day. Okay guys, part of the mission here today is to eat as many novelty snacks as possible that aren't like truly gross. They have a bug hot dog, that's not gonna happen. But here's item number one. It is chicken and waffles on a stick. Verdict? Ready?
Not bad.
It's okay.
Not remarkable.
Mm-hmm.
But, you know, fills my food bowl.
Now we're at the farm. This is where city people go to be exposed to things that are very commonplace in anywhere else.
Rural areas.
Yeah, but I'm super excited. And they have the butter sculptures in here. My guess is that one of them will be Trump this year because it's always some character that's like, I don't know, really well known. Trump and maybe like a Pikachu or something.
Hopefully.
Time will tell. Here's a fun fact for the ages. A male alpaca is called a macho. Oh, thank you. I guess everyone asks where the queen is.
Yeah, that's her with the dot.
Oh, you know because she has a dot?
Yep. She's laying an egg right now. It's by her back somewhere.
Whoa. The miracle.
She lays 1,000 eggs every day.
Whoa.
Wow.
Here I thought she was just sitting around being lazy. Everyone's serving her, but
She's the only one who can
lay eggs? Ugh. You know what? She's the hardest working one there. I see butter sculptures.
Here we go.
Are you ready?
Do this.
All right, guys. Here comes the butter sculptures. What is that?
I don't know.
A squirrel and a person? Oh, it's Trudeau.
Oh.
I think.
I guess.
Yeah. There he is. And then there's Snorlaxes, I think. Oh, Drowsies.
The little Pokeball.
Oh, thank you.
I swear I don't know this stuff.
That's clever. I like it. And then a squirrel. Hillary's not with us, but Hillary, this is for you. We know you love the pig. Hillary, look, it's you and me when we were little. This one's bugging the other one. Like siblings do. These pygmy horses are so cute. They're all nestled in together. There's a 2-month-old little lamb and it looks just like Louie. Even the tail. Welcome to the Arts, Crafts, and Hobbies Pavilion. All the novelty shops you could ever ask for. And I'm very excited. Okay, I know these are a joke, but I want that. I want the built-in cleavage one. This store is all Christmas. It's amazing. But I can't show you everything because I feel like we're not supposed to film in here. What I really want is to get a nice photo of the two of us and get one of these made. Beautiful. We'd be encased in glass like this family forever.
The family all have the exact same face, so I'm skeptical how accurate the final products are going to be.
Maybe they get a discount for that. Even the girl has that face. We just got to the midway. We're seeing a lot of stuff that Dan would do that I would not do. Like this, for example. This looks insane.
There it goes, upside down.
Oh, jeez.
We're doing this.
No!
Come on.
The Fran's booth, like the food booth, has blueberry pie milkshakes. And you got one called
Old Canada.
Old Canada. It has like maple and stuff, but
Got a maple cookie, but I ate it already.
That's how you know it's good. Verdict on the shakes. Excellent. If you come here, get them. It's unbelievable. And not in a million years.
You're gonna love it.
No! This is Emma and Madison, and we met them here at the X, and they're lovely. And they were giving us a scoop on rides. Is there anything you want to say? Hi. Alright, we compromised. I'm doing the death trap baby swings. Look at all the ladies. You've never looked more masculine than you do in this moment. Look at all those princesses. Well, I assume they're princesses. They may just be wealthy women from another time. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
Just remember, children do this.
All right, all right. Oh. Oh guys, you know the reason I don't like this ride is because this very fair had an accident with it a few years ago and I'm like, ah. Look, not a care in the world. Whoa. But beautiful view of the city though. Alright, I'm acclimated. This is more fun than I thought it would be. Yeah, okay.
The next one, the other one next.
No, not the zipper, but I like this.
That was the best.
Yeah, it was. Look at all these rides. It's awesome. Before we go see Super Dogs, we're gonna do the best ride here, which is the Polar Express.
I love the artwork.
The artwork, the ride artwork is very sensual in a way that it couldn't be if you built it today. Dan just said, he's very smart.
Right.
Okay, I'm not gonna film on this ride because I'll barely be able to hang on to my head.
Too scared.
Okay, I don't know if you guys remember what my hair looked like before that, but basically that one whips you around. Every time you think you're going as fast as you can, it's more.
You better go faster.
Yeah. Ah! I feel ill. All right, we made it inside to see the President's Choice Super Dogs. Are you very excited?
Very excited for Super Dogs.
I'm very excited to see Super Dogs. I'm also very excited to see if there's plenty of seating.
Oh, perfect. Other than regular dogs, then you end up your money back.
Yeah.
It's super or nothing.
So please welcome our very own Super Dog, Willie! Keep the beach balls bouncing through the crowd until the end of this song.
Oh, I was going to say Louis can do that, but can't do this.
2 minutes to showtime, everybody. It's 2 minutes. Well, here comes the stars of the show.
Yay!
Size them up. Which Super Dog do you think is going to give you a victory?
This one.
Yeah, he's tenacious.
Come on. No more fighting.
Woo!
Oh, here's one guy.
Look at him go! Oh, good job! Yay!
There we go.
Yay! So that was not what we expected exactly. I would say skip it. Skip it.
Yeah.
They were like, okay, but not super.
Not super.
Not super. Hello. It's nighttime and we are in the Midway. We're gonna go on the Crazy Mouse. There's a little peek of it. The Midway looks so much cooler at nighttime. I think that's why it's way busier now. What do you think of Crazy Mouse?
It's okay. Pretty good. Pretty good.
Pretty good. It was pretty good.
I liked it. I enjoyed it.
Scarier than you expected, right?
Yes, it was excellent and terrifying.
Yeah, he thought I picked
I hated it.
And we're ready to do the last ride of the night. So we're gonna say goodbye for the evening because it's starting to rain a little bit. But we're gonna go on this and see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. I had a good sleep. I had such a good time at the X with Dan yesterday, and I thought I would open up some mail from you guys that I got this week. The first thing I got is a postcard. How cute is this? Hey Jill, I thought of you when I saw this. A little bit of Disney and a little bit of Florida fun. The heat down here is unbearable right now. I believe that because I'm way north and it's unbearable here. We hope you are having a wonderful summer. I love watching you go to that cute ice cream shop and getting those fun looking treats. Yum. Then I'm sure you liked the X this week because that was pretty real. Keep enjoying the weather and exploring your beautiful Toronto. So jealous. Need to go to Canada like now. Much love to you, Hillary and Louie too. Love, Becky and Antia. Oh my gosh, Becky! Girl, okay, Becky is one of like the OG video watchers. I know exactly who this is. Oh, I love this. Thank you, Becky, and thank you, Antia. You are adorable, and I love this. Next is this package. Whoa, and it came from Canada, and I have a feeling I know what this is because I actually know the person who sent this to me. She is someone that I went to school with. Oh, cool. And she let me know that she would be sending these along. Guys, look at this. She had some old Dan clothes. I love Dan clothes. I love his graphic novels. I'm not much of a graphic novel person otherwise, but like, this is incredible. Thank you very much, Jess. This is from Jess. So, caricature, 8-ball. Yes. Oh, I love these. They're so weird. They're so weird and they're so good. If you haven't read anything by Dan Close, I would recommend looking into Ghost World because that's probably the entry point, and I love that as well. So that's mail for this week, and I love it all. Next, I'll talk about some stuff I got at the X. So Dan was so sweet. I took forever looking at crystals because I love crystals now. I have an amethyst by my bed so I can sleep well. I have a clear quartz because it helps like amplify other crystals or whatever. I have a giant rose quartz right there behind me, and I carry some around in my purse too, because rose quartz is like for love and like showing love to the universe and self-love and being open to love, etc. Anyway, I did a crystal consultation with someone a while back, and she sent me a list of like recommended crystals, and this was on the list. So I got some pyrite, otherwise known as fool's gold, but you'd be a fool not to like this fake gold because it's so pretty. So that is going to go next to my bed. And then this I got just because I saw it and I was like, ooh, I need that. It's so pretty, and it's blue calcite. Look how pretty that is. I guess the lighting is kind of jacked up in here, but imagine it's beautiful. Blue calcite. I can't remember the name of that place. And then this place was called the Shiny Company. theshinycompany.ca if you're curious. And I picked up this Unikite, and this was one of my recommended pieces. It's like very orange looking kind of. It's not beautiful, we'll be honest, but I'll still keep it. And I got some pink calcite, which is pretty. It looks very similar to rose quartz. And this I was really excited about because when I saw it I was like, oh, that is pretty. This one I'll take out because it's not as basic. And this is celestite. Oh, look how pretty that is, you guys. Anyway, I love crystals and decorating with crystals, and I think they're just pretty. So that, along with some cookies that I already ate, is what I picked up at the X. And I guess the last thing I'll talk about, oh, one more thing. I wanted to say, the place at the X that I saw with all that like retro stuff, if you're interested, is retrofestive.ca, and hashtag not spawn. I just like know I'm gonna look at this myself, so thought I'd let you guys know. This week I finished Amy Schumer, The Girl with the Lower Back Tattoo. I loved this book. This was fantastic. It was super funny. I just think, like, I don't know, she's such an interesting, unique voice, and if you like Inside Amy Schumer, you would probably like this a lot. This made me laugh out loud on the bus a couple of times, and I'm sure I looked like a maniac, but I just loved it. So this is wholeheartedly recommended. I just got a Goodreads account. I'm going to leave that linked below if you guys want to go find me on there, because I'm going to try out seeing like how I feel about like keeping track of what I'm reading on there. Amy Schumer was this week's book, and then I had a choice to make. I could read my other Jennifer Weiner book, or I could read this Michael Caine autobiography, and I think I'm gonna give this a whirl. I've heard it's very funny. I think my dad read this when I was little and read it aloud, and I quite liked it. So that is this week in reading. I love you guys. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Let me know what you got up to, and I will see you real soon. Love you. Bye though.